Hey friends, I'm back to do another video with our city design and engineering kit, and this time we're going to be doing number 3A, which is let's build a superhighway. So this one looks pretty cool. So let me re-angle the camera and we'll start getting all of our supplies out. Okay, for this one we need one large blue square, we need 6 orange squares, 3, 4, 5, 6. We need 2 of these extremely cool traffic cones, and we need 8 of the larger gray stick things. 2, 3, 4, 5, there's 5, 6, 7, 8. And let's get started. Okay, so our first step is to take our blue one. I'm going to move the cones out of the way. Take our blue one and we're just going to put 4 legs on it. That's how we're going to start. 3. It doesn't feel like it's snapped in, but I guess it's in there. That seems to be. Okay, and then from there we're going to take an orange one, and I think I'm going to snap it on. So make sure that you've got something where you can add your little hinges. And if you remember from last time, you have to hold them like this to snap them on. And then give that one 4 legs also on the bottom. So you should have something like this. And if yours slides sideways like that, just slide it back. It's no biggie. Which, you know what? Now seeing that makes me think that instead of snapping them on, I may be able to slide them on. So let's try that the next time. I need to add one of these at this end. So let's see. Hey, check that out. Okay, so see, I just learned something completely new. I've been snapping these by pushing them like this. You can simply slide them. Look how easy that is. I'm going to remember that. That's a very easy trick. Now, on this far end, you're going to need to, whoops, hold it the right way. You're going to need to slide one of these orange ones into the blue, and then you're also going to have 2 more orange, or 3 more orange ones kind of here down at the end. So I think what I'll do is slide another orange one onto this middle piece, and now I'm going to add the side pieces. And again, if you look, I'm just sliding them in. I've got the openings there, and boy, that is just so much easier. So see, sometimes just playing around with stuff is the ticket. Okay, and I've got that one on there now too. And then it has you put your cones at the end. So there you go. Now I saw in my box, here's a car. Here's some, these are obviously wheels. Check those out. Let's see. Nope, that's a hook. Oh, there's another wheel. Okay, so I've now found 4 wheels. I'm going to look and see if I can find the car. Oh, here it is. Oh, it's actually a truck. Look, it's a truck. Okay, and I'm going to put the wheels on. I'm just snapping them on like that. And I wonder if our little guy with the hard hat can actually fit in the back of the truck. Let's find out. I'm going to put my truck here and find my little guy. Oh, I actually have, oh, check it out. Okay, clearly I have not looked in my box as much as I should have because I actually have 2 little guys. So here, he does fit in there. The orange guy does fit in there. Let's see if the yellow guy will fit too. Yep. So you can put whichever one you like in there. I think I'm just going to put the orange one in there. He feels a little more stable. And then you can experiment with your truck going along the superhighway. So your challenge for today, this is your challenge. It says on my card, there's a traffic jam. Cars must stop before turning right or left at the bottom of the ramp. Can you design an overpass to keep traffic moving? So what that means is when my truck gets to the bottom of this ramp, in order to continue on the highway, it either has to turn right or it has to turn left. it doesn't have the choice to continue this way. So what they're saying is, can you design something that goes over top of this to give our little guy in the truck the option to continue going straight? So that is your challenge for today. See what you can do as far as designing an overpass. Use the other things that are in your kit and see what you can do to solve the problem. If you need some hints, you can flip your card over. On the back of 3A are some suggestions for solutions to this, but there's lots of right ways to solve this. Lots of creative thinking can go on here. So just because your solution to the problem is different on the card doesn't mean it's wrong. It just means that you thought of something else. Okay, see you next time.